Hello everybody. As usual, let's start with the Fear and Greed Index for the stock market. We're at 30 and yesterday we were at 25, so we go from extreme fear to fear. Then for the crypto market, we stay stable at 50, which is neutral. Now for the charts, S&P 500, again, new high on low volume. If you would go to the 1 hour time frame, then there is this bearish butterfly, but I'm not so confident trading yet the stock market to the downside, because usually the dip gets bought up. So I would let it come down and then let's see where it comes down to. Maybe if we come down below 4,352, so this region, maybe then I would look for a short. But here most probably we come down to this level, this naked point of control, or maybe a bit lower, and then we have a sharp push up again. So today the dollar got weaker, so the stock market gets weaker then as well. Crude oil got pushed up a bit. Let's see on the daily, because there we still have this harmonic that I'm trading. So take profit 1 reached. Now we're coming back. So let's see whether I get stopped out or not. PayPal was doing really good today. So I'm in the short from this Gartley, and look, we gapped down 5.58%. Lots of selling volume. So I didn't read the news, but I just see that actually they did better than expected, and prices coming down. So yeah, this happens often when the big traders are taking advantage of FOMO of the retail trader. So people are waiting to buy. Sure, shall I buy PayPal or not? Let's wait. Let's see what the earnings are. Earnings are good. Let's buy it. And then what happens on the other side is the big players, they're just dumping the stock on you. So let's see whether we get some follow through in the coming days, because here's my take profit 1 level. So basically, didn't I throw it before? No, apparently not. So you go from this point to this point. The magnet is off. Let's redo that. So from point C of the Gartley to point D over here. Come on. So this is a Gartley. So we just got stopped out a bit above the 0.382 retracement, but it doesn't mean anything. Tomorrow we might further come down, and then take profit 2 would be the 0.618. So I'm not sure we would get here. It would be nice, of course, but I'm mainly aiming here for the take profit 1, because I can imagine that all the people who were trying to buy here, now all of a sudden they panic and they start selling again in the coming days. So that's for PayPal. Euro Hungarian forint coming down again. And yeah, here's the take profit 2. So we're still far away from that. Then gold did very good today, plus 1.3%. So it looks like, yeah, we won't reach the 0.618 retracement. Okay, that's fine. Then I'm out of gold. I did sell around here, so unfortunately I couldn't get in. Maybe on the break of this high. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see. But for now, I'm not in a trade. And then for silver, I'm still in my long from up here. The weekly got a bit underwater in the past days, and now nicely up again. So 2.67%. And this one we can remove. It's not needed anymore. All right, the crypto market, Bitcoin dominance, fairly stable, minus 0.63. And then the Bitcoin chart. So we're still struggling a bit with the upper range over here, but no strong rejection. Also low volume, so to me it doesn't look like there's much resistance over here. So as I mentioned already a couple of days ago, here we can see on the volume profile there's really not much above. So we just need one whale who's willing to buy in this zone to all of a sudden pump Bitcoin another $10,000 higher. Okay, I think that's it for the crypto market. So Tezos trigger line is getting stable. We're still in our long. Dogecoin still nothing. Okay, it is what it is. Bitcoin also trigger line starts to flatten. On my trading account, I did put another full size buy order at the trigger line, because when it starts to flatten, then it means that price action is going sideways. We're not making new highs. So that's when you can load up again, when price is coming down, touches it and goes up again. So as I mentioned before, this is the only time I go 2x, when I have the opportunity to load up at the trigger line. I do it for Bitcoin and also for Ethereum. Ethereum is not flatlining, but I did put an order at the value from yesterday, because you can't take the value from today, because it's changing every time based on current price action. And so let's have a look. Yesterday the trigger line was at 1899.01. So suppose Ethereum comes all the way down, then the trigger line will have the same value as the one from yesterday. So then it's just a matter of every day looking at what was the price yesterday and adapt your order and trail it upwards together with the trigger line. Bitcoin still in the Bitcoin Cash still in the long position. XRP also still in the long. For the other, so I only put a second order for Bitcoin and Ethereum because I know I can do it based from my experience in the past. But since those other altcoins, I have no clue how they react over time, and I didn't really look into it, so I don't do it. I think they're already volatile enough not to not to go 2x on the trading account. So let's have a look there. So here Ethereum, you can see in the chart, so there's a new limit order at 1,899, so for a total value of $700. And as you can see here on the first line, quantity 700, so we're already in a long position with a value of $700. Then let's switch to Bitcoin. Okay, maybe that was not the best idea since my processor is again overloaded. Anyway, so Bitcoin, we're in a 800 position long, and then if we have a look at the active, here you can see that there's a new order waiting of $800 at 35,697, so that's where the trigger line is. Okay, Bitcoin Cash. Oh, sorry, let's first have a look at the value. So Bitcoin up, profit 123, Ethereum 40, XRP 188, Bitcoin Cash 48.5, and Tezos 85. All right, guys, that's it for me today. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.